Hello everybody, we are here in the Boston Library with Stephen. Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Thank you, Stephen, for your time. And Stephen, it's very interesting to have this interview with you because you have a master in philosophy.
I do.
Yes, you are an expert in education, in technical, in analytics, and now you go back to a master in business analytics, and you have a very strong point of view. So I propose to let you introduce yourself, perhaps.
Sure. I'm Stephen Howe. I'm a senior product manager at Copyright Clearance Center. I work on software development teams building out data systems.
So, what is your opinion to help people to have a better culture on data? What could a manager or an employee do to scale up in his culture data?
Yep. So I think there's two things. One is take some time to understand what analytics is and how it's shaping industries and changing businesses. You know, a lot of that you can just get by paying attention to the news, reading some books, that sort of thing. But that's good to get you motivated about why you want to do it. But I think the more important thing is you have to do it. You have to start applying it, and it doesn't need to be complex. If you are at work and you're faced with a question, you know, you'll have your normal ways of answering it, but stop yourself for a moment and think, you know, how could I answer this with data? What sort of data would help me, answer this question? You know, the tools don't need to be complicated. It could be Excel. It could be Google Sheets. That's one example. I think another one is try it outside of work. You know, for instance, here in Boston, the city of Boston makes available a lot of public data sets on, crime statistics, on housing prices, on, service requests to the city. Many cities do this. New York does this. It's available to anybody in the world. Take one of those data sets, see what's inside it. The best way, the easiest way to skill up is to actually try to apply the skills, because that will teach you what's important, what you don't know, where the answers are, and a lot of it is learning how to answer questions.
Thank you, Stephen. So to sum up Stephen's idea, we can say that first is important to know the why data are very important, and second, to experiment even with open data. For example, you need a question, and with this question try to have a solution to use data, and that's perhaps the better way to learn what is a data culture. Thank you, Stephen.
Thank you very much.